guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
Alright guys, so we unloaded the trailer. We're gonna the car off the trailer. We're gonna take it to the Cars and Coffee and meet up with Adam. 4th gear still works, but it just doesn't work at high RPM. You know, it's a synchro problem. I think the meet is like 5 minutes away from here, so we're just leaving the trailer here because we really don't want to pull up with a big truck and a big trailer on a small parking lot. You know, so we'll just drive the FD there.
There's a rotary meet somewhere?
Where?
I don't know.
Bail, there's a rotary meet. Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Figure that shit out.
Yeah, I'll figure it out.
Yo, so for me, detailing this car at night, this came
pretty
out
good?
pretty good. Look at this thing. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That was
We don't talk about that little accident right there.
Yeah, that little guy. Nah, we don't talk about that little guy right there.
We're gonna tropical smoothie.
Yo, you gonna try and gap at him?
Nah, not worth the ticket.
Not worth the ticket. Adam's channeling his inner racer. That's my type of dude. Oh, relax. You're fast. Yeah, we know you're fast. Relax. You gotta call him out and raise it. Don't just hit him in the back. Just don't hit him from the back. Yeah. Adam likes spoolie noises. Lift it up. Idiot. Ah!
So I heard these guys won an award.
Yeah, participation award.
Did you talk about that yet?
Nah, well, yeah, we already called ourselves out.
We kind of left without getting the award. We just like fuck
guys,
it.
cool guys.
Mail it to us.
Yeah, Tony Stark. We just fucking did.
Just walked away from the
Yeah.
explosion. Yeah.
Honestly, they were taking way too long. The award was given at midnight, and we were
And
out
it
of
was
there
a
by then.
participation award, so we did. You know,
Was it really?
Yeah, we were the only ones in that
Only
class.
really?
Yeah.
You guys killed it.
I mean, we won because we did finish the event. We made it to the end,
So we kind of deserve it.
Yeah, because it's more of a marathon than a race, right?
Yeah. And we went all the way.
All the
And
way,
she
baby.
busted.
Yeah, you break. What'd you break? What'd you break?
Nothing. Not even break shit.
We're smoking. The turbo's smoking.
Bullshit. You broke something.
Nah, we did hit a speed bump. Yeah.
Wait, what was your best time?
11.5.
Bad.
11,
Best 60 foot?
11 pounds. 1.5. No, 1.5. Last one was 1.5.
Yeah, but you didn't go in third to that one.
60 foot don't matter, bro.
1.5, not bad. Not bad, especially for a rotary where it's just like
5 does 1.3s. With the 20B, did 1.3s. But we're not leaving that hard as what the 20B was leaving.
You're scared.
Yeah, we have to finish.
I'll admit it. I'll admit it. Cool. So they're gonna send me the car. Everything's great. Like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.
Sick.
All right, we're about to head to Adams, to the compound. So we're gonna take a look at the 4-rotor intake for his car and make a plan of attack. You know, pretty much schedule everything out.
Nothing to see here, boys.
That's a butt.
Nothing to see here.
All right, we're gonna go fish with John. He's somewhere over here.
Yeah. So we have a pond called Gator Alley. There's a hell of a lot of fish in there for a little pond.
Dude, chill with the cupping, bro.
He ain't catching shit. First cast out. Let's see. What do you think he's using for bait?
He has all crazy names for that thing. Dude, this thing's struggling.
We got a lot of man on this thing.
A lot of man meat.
Let's see where he at. He's
Oh,
in the
this is a
bushes.
pretty big one, actually.
Yeah, it's Gator Alley, buddy. All the fish are right there. You see all those motherfuckers?
Yeah.
Look at them all. He's on the wrong side of the pond. Well, there's a huge school of fish around the corner.
Oh shit! Yeah, you gotta watch out.
No, you gotta go on the other side of Gator Alley. I'm telling you.
Where?
The other corner.
in the beginning.
Yeah, they're always over there, right? We always see the splashes over there. I want to sit in the tree, DJ, and just drop it.
DJ wants you to show him how to fish, but you gotta be from behind and teach him how to cast.
A lot of nut to butt in this vlog.
Yeah.
Did you break the line?
Oh yeah.
Do it, pussy! Yeah, you think Adam would be pissed if he saw you guys up there?
No, you'd want to join. Do you think this branch will break?
100% that thin one.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Go for it.
No, this one.
Oh,
Look,
it's sturdy.
It's got spurlings on it. It's still alive.
If that snapped and you went in, James, that would be that. Oh man.
I don't know. That don't sound right. John's trying to fish over here, and these dudes are just dropping shit in the water, fucking
I'm
everything
gonna take
up.
a pee right where he's fucking fishing. Come here, fish.
John's about to eat shit.
Yeah, get a good photo for me.
Put it ignite.
Puts it in the water. Imagine whiskey throttles into the water.
Why does it move so much?
What?
Is it because the tire's low? Literally, as soon as I fucking touch it, it just wants to go left.
Yeah, that's a 110 thing.
Because you suck.
This dude caught it by hand. No fishing pole, just a line and a hook.
Oh, he's.
And some ham from Colette's fridge.
It was the ham, baby. It was the ham. They don't like
Jamon.
the chicken. They like the ham.
Jamon con queso.
I'm not fully victorious until I look at these long legs.
Man, he could just step down.
Look at that.
There you go.
Ring. Here, hold your fish. Gotta get a picture.
Let me get my hat on.
Get the hat.
You want to stuff him? Hang him on the shop wall?
That would be fire.
Put him in Colette's fridge. Put him back in the
Dude.
wrapper that we caught him with.
That's like, that was quick too. You just put that shit in there.
Proud fisherman. Fisherman
Dude,
Jim.
Look, John's down. He was supposed to be
your
the.
bike. I kind of got it dirty.
That's alright.
Oh, I did.
That's all right. Nice
Dude.
work, James.
Alright, let's get this back in
Alright.
the water before we
Now,
cruise.
now we gotta go tune.
We gotta
Well,
get to it.
he's gotta go tune.
Let's get to it.
All right. RX-8 things. What's this? And John's Chef Boyardee over here.
Boy, get the fuck? You gotta put some respect on my name.
John got the glissies going for Stevie. The glizzies.
No, he said start the grill. He didn't say move the grill. Right?
The big difference.
Why you don't cook in here?
Nah, that's already. We ain't even turning yet.
You gotta go fast, bro. You gotta go fast.
DJ, there's not a chance, bro. I think you got it, dude. He never even invited me on that yet.
Bruh.
I've never even been to his house.
Damn, I don't know, dude. I'm not
I've
sure.
never even walked over here.
How was it?
Insane. You can get in serious trouble quick on this thing.
Oh, good.
It's violent. It's the only way to.
Who's in that side? That side's fixed.
Yeah.
Enjoy your ride.
Yo, I lost brakes.
Lost brakes.
Yeah, dude, I have no brakes. Holy shit, that could have been bad. What if I just got him too hot?
Probably.
I'll just be careful with them.
Yeah. That's way quicker than I thought it were.
Yeah, dude, this thing moves. That was a little scary.
You had it. Alright guys, so we just left Adam's house. Well, this morning technically. So right now we're in South Carolina. You know, we lost the keys with all the fun last night. I don't know if it was on the side-by-side or something, but we had to break into our own car. And we stole our own car pretty much.
And I messed up my own wheels.
Yeah, so we had some oopsies. You know, we spent this whole trip with no issues.
I kind of dipshitted it a little bit, but it's alright. It's just a valve, so I gotta replace that.
It happens.
Yeah.
It happens once. How many times? Twice?
Yeah, we had a little too much fun yesterday with Adam, and
It happened once to me and I learned.
Yeah.
They're open. We have to do this little guy over here because our key's missing now.
the good thing about this now is since you have to pay someone to make you a key, you can come through my key too.
Oh, okay. Alright, so I gotta figure out who did the key last time. They're gonna have to we need to get an old school locksmith so they can so it matches everything, you know. So I don't want to I want it to be right. But pretty much that's it. We had a good time in Florida, a good time hanging out with Adam, Jimmy, TJ, Stevie, all them guys are good people, and it's always a good time. Always a good time. So make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.